ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयं कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीवेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are studying the Deepakam Prathamaha Bhagaha CBSE Class 10 Sanskrit textbook. In that, the Saptamaha Pathaha Atithidevo Bhava. The meaning of this title is Guest is indeed God. Treat guest as God. It's somewhat difficult to translate some of these titles into English in a very proper manner because the English language vocabulary is not as mature as Sanskrit language is. But this is a rough kind of title. Guest is indeed God. Treat guest as God. We now look at the lesson along with an English explanation. There's a short introduction which we see now. Bharatiya Samskritau Atithinam Nitaram Mahatvam Asti. In Indian culture or tradition, Bharatiya Samskriti, there is a complete or a big significance. Nitaram Mahatvam is big significance or importance. Atithinam, for guests. Atithidevo Bhava iti Upanishadaha Vachanam Asti. There is a statement from the Upanishads as Atithidevo Bhava. This comes in the Taittiriya Upanishad, in the Anushasanam, which is the like a convocation address given to students at the time of leaving the Gurukula. Matradevo Bhava, Pitradevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Atithidevo Bhava. 4 such statements come in the Taittiriya Upanishad. Asmakam Deshe, in our country, na kevalam manushyaha, not just human beings, apitu anye praninaha, but also other animals, api atithi bhavena pujyante, are worshipped as guests. Means with the feeling of being guests, they are actually respected, worshipped. Atithi seva panchamaha yajneshu antarbhavati. Service towards guests is included in the panchamaha yajnas. In our Indian tradition, all of us, each of us has to perform what is called as Pancha Mahayajna. 5 Mahayajnas we have to do, and they are called as Rishi Yajna, Deva Yajna, Pitri Yajna, Nri Yajna, and Bhuta Yajna. If you want to know what are these, you leave me a comment and I will reply what they are. Atithi Devo Bhava iti vachanena Atithi Sevayaha Bhavaha Sarveshu Jagaritaha Bhavati. Atithidevo Bhava, by this statement, the feeling of serving guests gets awakened in everybody. Sarveshu, in everybody this feeling gets awakened. Tadrishaha kaschana prasangaha atra pathe darshitaha. This type of situation is shown in this particular lesson. Now we come to the lesson proper. Rajika yeshu dineshu Kurdamana iva chalati. Nowadays, Radhika moves as though jumping with enthusiasm. Filled with enthusiasm, she actually moves around in the house. Yataha grihe nutanaha atithayaha santi. Because there are new guests in her house. Techa vishishtaha santi. They are special or extraordinary kind of guests. Who are they? Mata, Putra, mother. Putra is 2 sons, Putriyo, 2 daughters. So militva te tatra pancha santi. They are all altogether 5 of them, including a mother, 2 sons and 2 daughters. Ahoratram tasyaha chinta ekatra eva. Day and night her thoughts are in one place only. Grihasya chadyaha upari, means on the roof of the house, of her house. Chadi means roof. Upari, on top of the roof, on the roof, terrace. Tatra eva tasyaha manaha asti. Her mind is there only, on the roof, on the terrace of her house. Kutuhalam asti. Ke te iti. Are you eager to know who they are, who the guests are? Te na anye. None other than Kachit marjari, a mother cat. tasyaha chatvarah shavakaha, and her 4 kitten. Yes, te eva vishishtaha atithayah. Yes, these only are the special guests. Satu tesham namani api chintitavati. She, Radhika, has also thought of their names. What are the names? Tanvi, Mridvi, Shabalaha, Bhimaha, Chaiti. They are named as Tanvi, Mridvi, Shabala and Bhima. Tanvi and Mridvi are girls and Shabala and Bhima are boys, boy kitten, and these are girl kittens. Note, there are some words which are in bold in this particular lesson in your textbook. Focus on the letters in bold. These are indeclinables or avyaya padani. We'll look at what are avyaya padani later in this same video. So keep watching. Continuing the story further. Tanvi akritya sundari. Tanvi is beautiful to look at. Her form is beautiful. Mridvi sparshena ativa komala. Mridvi is extremely soft to touch. Shabalaha chitravarnaha. Shabala is multicolored. Tathacha, and also Bhima kinchit stulaha, is a little stout. Marjari kada gacchati, kada agacchati, etat sarvam api Radhika janati. Radhika knows all about what? When the mother cat goes out and when she comes back. Sa marjariyai kshiram dadati. She gives milk to the mother cat. She feeds the mother cat with milk. Marjari pibati. The mother cat drinks. The female cat. Marjari is actually not a mother cat but a female cat. So female cat is also now a mother. Anantaram sa sadhanyavadam Radhikam pashyati. Then she looks at Radhika with gratitude, thankfulness, like dhanyavadam, sadhanyavadam. With a thankful attitude, gratitude, the cat looks at Radhika. Kintu shavakanam samipam Radhika gacchati chet. However, when Radhika approaches the kittens, then what happens? Mandam mandam prishtataha agacchati. The mother cat slowly comes following her. Radhikam drishtva shavakaha bhitaha na bhavanti. On looking at Radhika, the kittens do not get afraid. Pitamahi Radhikayaha karya kalapan drishtva hasati. Grandmother, on seeing Radhika's activities, smiles. Next. Sa Radhikam vadati. So the grandmother tells Radhika, Radhike, O Radhika, Atithayaha kada agachanti iti na janimaha. We are not aware of when the guests will come. So we really don't know when guests can come. Kintu yadate atra agachanti. However, when they come here, when the guests arrive at our house, tada tesham etadrishi seva karaniya. Then this kind of service is to be done to them. Whoever guest comes at whatever time, we have to do this kind of service to those guests, is what the grandmother tells Radhika. Radhika pitamahyaha kantham paritaha malam iva hastau sthapayanti prichhati. What does Radhika do? Placing her hands around her grandmother's neck like a garland, asks her grandmother, Astu, yes, karvami, be it so, I will do it. Kintu kimartham, but why? Why should I do that? Why should I be respectful towards the guests, is what Radhika asks her grandmother. Matamahi vadati. The grandmother replies, Atithidevo Bhava. Arthat Atithihi asmakam devaha asti iti chintayatu. Meaning that it is to be thought that the guest is our God himself. Guest is equivalent to God. Tasya adarena sevam karotu. His service is to be done adarena, respectfully. His service of the guest is to be done respectfully. Next. Further, Radhika adinam mantram iva varam vadati. So Radhika repeatedly utters this adinam throughout the day. Mantram iva, as though a mantra. What is the mantra? Atithidevo Bhava. Atithidevo Bhava. Anantaram sa tanvim mridvim shabalam bhimam cha vatsalyena vadati. Then what does she do? she with motherly affection, Vatsalya is motherly affection, tells the four kitten, Tanvi, Mridvi, Shabala and Bhima that, what does she say? Jananti kim, do you know? Atithidevo Bhava. Bhavantaha api vadantu. You also chant Atithidevo Bhava. That's what Radhika tells the four kitten. So this is Radhika and her four kitten along with the mother cat, and this is Radhika feeding the mother cat. There are some more pictures in your textbook which you can see. Now Vayam Shabdarthan Janimaha. Let us know some difficult words and their meanings in Kannada, in English. Kurdamana is jumping, Jigiyutta. Nutanaha is new, Hosadada in Bahuvachana means plural. Newly born kittens, Nutanaha Shavakaha means like that. Militva is together. Seri. Ahoratram is day and night. Hagalu, Irlu, Hagalilulu. Day and night she is thinking about the kitten only. Chadyaha Upari means on the roof. Upparigaya mele. Shavakaha is kitten. Bekkina Marigalu, again plural. Mandam is slowly. Nidhanavagi. Prishtataha is from the back. Hindininda. Next. Karya Kalapan is activities, which is Karya Kalapagalannu. This is actually Dvitiya Vibhakti. Drishtva is having seen, means nodi, drishtisi. Etadrashaha, like this. Itarahada. Sthapayanti, putting. Sthapisutta, hakutta, idutta. Putting or keeping. Kimartham, why, eke. Adinam, whole day. Dinapurti, varam, again and again. Matte, or punaha. Next, there is a small grammatical part in this lesson which we have to see, which we will see now. Atithidevo Bhava, same lesson number 7. Generally, all words in Samskrita are classified into 3. They are Namapadani, which is nouns, pronouns, etc. Kriya Padani is verbs, which is action words. And Avyaya Padani, which are called as indeclinables. So, Avyaya Padani, that's what we are going to learn in this particular lesson. And all the bold words, as I told you in this particular chapter, in this lesson, words in bold are all Avyaya Padani, which are indeclinables. You will learn more and more about indeclinables in your later lessons and later classes. But here is a small introduction. Sadrisham Trishu Lingeshu Sarvasu cha Vibhaktishu Vachaneshu cha Sarveshu Yannavyeti Tadavyayam. That's the definition of Avyaya. In all the 3 genders, masculine, feminine, neuter, in all the 7 plus 1 Vibhaktis, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shishti, Saptami, and also Sambodhana, Prathama, Vibhaktis, and in all the 3 numbers, which is Ekavachanam, Vivachanam and Bahuvachanam, those words which do not undergo any modification, which do not undergo any change, are called as Avyaya Padani. So they don't have any change at all. They are always in the same form, irrespective of gender, Vibhakti or number. So we'll look at some the Avyayas which are written in bold in this particular lesson. I have just listed them for you. As I said earlier, it is not very easy to give exact English equivalents to some of these words. I have given you what are some of the approximations in some places. Eva is as, Eva indicates emphasis. Means if you want to stress on something, then you use the word Eva. Yataha tataha is because and then. Cha is and, Atra is here, Tatra is there, Ekatra is one place, in one place. Upari is on top, Adha is below, Iti is as, Na is no, Kachit is someone or anyone, Am is yes, Tu is indeed, Ativa is too much, Yatha Tatha is as so, Kinchit is some, Kada is when, Api is also, Kintu is however, Chet is if, Paritaha all around, Purataha is in front, Prishtataha at the back, Kim is what. Now, they have given a small thing at the end of your chapter in this particular lesson. Bidalaha kutra asti means where is the cat. So the cat is seen in various positions in these pictures. Where is the cat? Upari is on top of the table. Adhaha is below, sitting below the table, sleeping below the table. Kone is in the corner of the table, in the corner. Kendre is in the center, at the center of this particular carpet or mat. Samipe, very close to the box, nearby, proximity. Dure is far, far from the box. Antaha, inside the box. Bahihi is outside the box. Bahi is outside. These are all the meanings of these particular words. Still there are some more. Purataha is in front of. So the cat is in front of the ball. Prishtataha is behind. The cat is behind the ball. Now Dakshinataha, with respect to this boy, the cat is at the right of the boy. And Vamataha, with respect to this boy, the cat is at left. Now I want to show you these kittens, these two kittens. Mother cat were born in, these two kittens were born in my house. So I want to just show you this is called as, this mother cat was given the name as Oreo, and these two kittens were born. Now this brings me to the end of the lesson part of this particular lesson, Atithidevo Bhava. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the exercise part of the same lesson. YouTube Amara Bharati Samskrita. Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.